Welcome back to our channel. We are happy to help you master English today.
Our method is simple: listen, repeat, and understand. This is how you learn naturally.
Today's episode is about a very important topic: living a healthy lifestyle.
I agree. Many people want to be fit, but they don't know where to start.
So, let's listen to this conversation between two friends about the gym and diet.
I noticed you look very energetic lately. Have you been exercising?
Yes. I joined a local gym last month, and it changed my life completely.
That is amazing. How many times a week do you go there?
I try to go 4 times a week. I do some cardio and then lift light weights.
I want to start too, but I am always tired after work.
The secret is to start small. Just 20 minutes a day can make a big difference.
You are right. And what about your diet? Do you eat special food?
I stopped eating fast food and sugar. I eat more proteins and vegetables now.
Is it hard to follow this routine every day?
It was difficult at first, but now I feel much stronger and happier.
You inspired me. I will sign up for the gym tomorrow morning.
That is the spirit. Consistency is the most important thing in any goal.
Now, let's talk about how to use these conversations to improve your English.
Tip number 1. Don't just listen once. Repeat the video 3 or 4 times.
Tip number 2. Try the shadowing technique. Repeat every sentence after us.
Tip number 3. Write down the new words in a notebook and use them today.
Listening helps your brain recognize patterns and improves your pronunciation.
Stay patient. Learning a language is a marathon, not a short race.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and never give up.